How are you all? I hope all you are fine. Okay, all of you enter. Take out your textbook. All of you take out your textbook. We are entering into our new lesson. What is our new lesson? Fifth lesson. We are entering into the fifth lesson. Water, water everywhere. What is our lesson name? Water, water everywhere. Water, water everywhere. Water is everywhere. Water, water everywhere. So why we need water? Tell me. Tell me children, why we need water? What are the uses of water? You know water? Yes, we are need water. We all of us need water. So living things are need water. We use water for drinking, washing, cleaning. So water is very important. Water is very important. So, all the living things are drink water. We drink, human beings are drink water, animals drink water, birds drink water, plants also need water to grow. So all the living things are need water. Living things are need water. So where does water comes? Tell me. Where does we got water? Tell me. We got water from the different sources. Different sources means ponds, lakes, rivers. Okay, so these are the sources of water. These are the sources of water. Source means these all need water. We get water from that source. We get water from the sources of rivers, ponds, lakes. Okay, rivers are full of water. Okay, ponds also, rivers, ponds, or lakes. All these are full of water. So this called as a source of water. Source of water. So we need water for so many uses. Okay, we need water for drinking, cleaning, washing. Okay, so we need water for so many types. Okay, next one. Wait, what is the main source? What is the main source of water? We get water from the rain. If it is rain, that rainwater, all the rainwater is going to the rivers. The rainwater goes into the rivers, ponds, lakes. So the main source is rain. What is the main source of water, ma? Rain is the main source of water. Okay. Why we need water? We need water for drinking. Without water we can live? No. We should drink minimum 8 to 10 glasses of water, and we should wash clothes by using water, and we should cleaning our vessels by using water. So we should clean our house by using water. So there is so many uses. So many uses. So water is very important. Water is very important. Where does the water comes? We should come. The water comes from the rainwater goes into the, where does the rainwater goes? The rainwater goes into the ponds, P-O-N-D-S, ponds, rivers, you know rivers. Yes, the rivers. Here you see, the river is there. River, pond, lake, well, stream. Next one, waterfall. So all these rain, if it is rain, all the rainwater goes to the ponds, rivers, lakes, wells. Okay, the rainwater goes to the, for example, you see children, it is raining. So all the rainwater goes into the rivers, and ponds. Ponds means small source of water. Here you see pond, river, lake, well, stream. Next one, stream. Next one, waterfall. So all this rainwater goes into the ponds, rivers. And next one, rivers and streams, wells, lakes. So all these are called water bodies. These ponds, rivers, lakes, all these are called water bodies. What are these called, ma? Water bodies. These all contain water. These all contain water. So ponds, rivers, lakes, wells, these are called water bodies. Where does the water goes? The rainwater. The rainwater goes into the ponds, rivers, lakes. Where does the rainwater goes, ma? The rainwater goes into the ponds, rivers, lakes and wells. Okay, see children, some other water bodies have. other water bodies. What are the other water bodies? Seas and oceans. You know seas, they are big source of water. Big source means the large amount of water in seas and you know sea. Yes, seas and oceans. These also have large amount of water. Okay, large amount of water. Oh, these are seas and oceans are called salt water. You know salt water? Yes, seas and oceans are called contain salt water. So these also have. See children, here is the sea and ocean. So sea and oceans are huge amount of water. They contain a large amount of water. Okay, see children, all water bodies are source of water. All water bodies are sources of water. We need water for drinking, cleaning and washing our clothes. Next one is the trees get water from the rain. Where does the trees get water? The trees get water from the rain. If it is rain, the trees absorb that water. So the trees get the water from rain. The trees get water from rain. Animals and animals. Where does the animals drink water? In rivers, ponds, lakes. Animals drink water. So animals get water from ponds, rivers, lakes, wells. Okay, next one. Where does we get water? Where does we get water? Tell me, ma. We get water from wells, rivers. Okay, we get water from wells and rivers. Next one. Water from these sources come through the taps. We get water from the lakes, rivers, pond. We get water from these through the taps. We use taps in our homes. We see the taps. Yes, we are taking these water through the taps and pipes. Taps and pipes. Where does we get water, ma? We get water from ponds, rivers, lakes and wells. We get these water through the directly we are taking from the ponds. No, we are taking these water from the through the taps. Through the taps and pipes. Through the taps and pipes. Here you see the picture of tap. Here you see ma tap. And next one, water pipeline is there. Water pipeline. So we are taking these water from ponds and rivers through the taps and pipelines. Taps and pipelines. In our houses we are seeing the taps. If we are on the tap, the water is comes. Where does the water comes? Through the pipeline. Through the pipeline. This pipeline is connected to the ponds and rivers. Ponds and rivers. Okay. Next one, we have seen many sources of water. Here you see, we have seen many sources. What are the sources? The sources are two types. What are the sources, man? The sources are how many types? Two types. What are the sources? Natural sources and man-made artificial sources. Man-made or artificial. Man-made or artificial. We get water through the two types. What are the sources? Two types. The sources are two types. What are the two types, ma? One is natural. One is natural. And another one is, what is the another one? Another one is man-made. I already told you what is man-made. The things are made by man are called man-made. The things are given by nature are called natural. Natural means the things are made by nature are called natural. Giving by man are called man-made. Okay, you know the difference. The things are given by the nature are called natural. The things are made by man. The things are made by man. For example, chocolate. The things made by man. So the are called man-made. Okay, see children. Natural means what is a natural source? Rain. Rain is a natural source and river. River is also natural source. Next one, ponds, lakes, ocean, sea, spring, whatever. Waterfall. River, ponds, lakes. All these are natural. Natural sources, ma. Natural sources means giving by nature are called Natural sources, river, ponds, lakes, all these are natural sources. Man-made means we are do the bore wells. You know bore wells. Our dads doing the bore. You know bore. Yes, in our houses we see the bores. So bore means we are taking water from the bore. We are taking water from the bore well. In our villages we are seeing these wells. See here, page number 23. The well is there. Yes, in our villages we see in the well. Okay. So man-made means these bore well, tube well are taking water. We are using these tube well water or bore well water. So these are called man-made. Man-made. Next one, look at the picture below. Here is a picture. Rain as the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. Here you see, if it is raining, the rainwater goes to the stream and go to the river. After that going to the sea and ocean. Okay, after that going to the sea and ocean. Some of the water goes into the ground. Some of the water goes into the ground. So that water is called groundwater. That water is called groundwater. Here you see, children, some rainwater flows into the rivers. Here you see the rainwater. The rainwater goes into the rivers. Some of the rainwater goes into the rivers. The water from the rivers goes into the sea. Where does the river water goes to? The river water goes to the oceans. Oceans and seas. That's why oceans and seas has large amount of water. If it is raining, the rainwater, all the rainwater goes into the rivers. Some of the rainwater goes into the ground, inside of the ground. That water is called groundwater. What is that water called, ma? Groundwater. And some of the rainwater goes into the river. Okay, some of the rainwater goes into the river. After that, all these river water goes into the oceans. Okay, these river water goes into the oceans and seas. Oceans and seas. So that's why seas and oceans has a large amount of water. Large amount of water. Have you understood, children? Okay, see. To use the water store under the ground, we dig wells, bore wells and tube wells. We use these groundwater. We are using wells. We are using wells, bores and tube wells to dig the groundwater. To dig the groundwater, we are digging the ground and taking this water through the wells, bores and tube wells. Have you understood? Next one, the water that we use every day is called fresh water. We are using so much of water daily. That water is called fresh water. That water is called fresh water. It comes from the rivers, ponds and lakes. Rivers, ponds and lakes, wells and so on. We use this water for drinking, bathing. I already told you. These are the uses of water. What are the uses, ma? This fresh water we are using for the washing, cleaning, bathing, and next one drinking. Drinking is a main. Okay, we are drinking minimum 8 glasses. Children, you should drink minimum 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Okay, note this one. You should drink minimum 8 to 10 glasses. You also said to your parents minimum 8 to 10 glasses of water you have to drink. Okay. Okay, next one. So these fresh water we are using for bathing, cleaning and washing. So every day we are using so much of water. This water is called fresh water. That water is called fresh water. We are using fresh water for drinking, bathing, cleaning and washing. Okay, next one. In cities, people use a tap for their daily use. In cities, people are using water through the taps. Why? How they are using in cities? They are using taps. If they are on the tap, the water comes. Okay, the water comes. So in cities, they are using tap water for their daily use. Next one, the tap water comes from the ponds, rivers, lakes and wells. Where should the tap water comes? The tap water comes from the bores and ponds and rivers. Okay. In villages, people use tap water. People use tap water or they use from wells, rivers, streams, lakes or directly. In villages, they are taking the water directly from the ponds or rivers. In some villages, there is no taps in their houses. So they take directly from the lakes. They take directly from the lakes. In our movies we see in villages there is no taps. In their villages there is no taps in their houses. In cities we are seeing the taps. In every house in the city we are seeing water taps. But in our villages there is no taps. They are taken directly from the lake. For example, this is a lake. They go to the lake and take the water with their vessels. Okay. So in some villages there is no taps. They are taken directly from the lakes. Okay. Next one. They also use hand pumps. You know hand pumps. In our villages we see the hand pumps. If the here you see the hand pumps. See the hand pump. If they are pumping, the water comes. Okay. If they are pumped the water comes like this. Here you see. Should we use a river or pond water directly from drinking? No, because it contains dirt or mud. Sometimes the water looks clean to our eyes, but it may have germs in it. So the river or pond water we didn't drink directly. We should clean the water. If the water is cleaning, if the water is very clean to our eyes, but water has germs. So we should boil our water. We should boil our water. So we didn't take the water directly. Didn't take pond or river water directly. We should clean the water. How should we clean? If we boil the water, we should clean. Okay. By boiling the water, we should clean. So you have to boil the water. Okay. Next one. Nowadays we are using water purifiers. Water purifiers we are using. You know water purifiers. If we would you know water purifiers in our houses. Here you see boiling water, water filter and water purifier. Here you see the water filter. The water filter purifies the water. It cleans the germs out. Okay. So we didn't take the water directly. We clean the water. How should we clean? By boiling the water we should clean. We should clean our water. Here you see people in the olden days. Women bring water from the faraway places. They bring the water from the faraway places. They go for a walk and they take the water directly from the lakes or rivers. They didn't have any taps or pipelines. They go for a walk and take the water. Here you see picture is there. Okay. So this is the water lesson. Okay. This is a water lesson. Shall I ask some questions, children? All of you underline the hard words in this lesson. Okay. Where should water comes from? The water comes from the rivers, ponds and lakes. All these are called water bodies. Rivers, ponds, lakes are called water bodies. Okay. What is the main source of water? Tell me. What is the main source? Yes, rain is the main source. Where should we how should we get water from the rivers and ponds? Through the taps. Through the taps or pipelines. Taps and pipelines. Okay, pipelines. What is a huge amount of water? What is a large amount of water? Yes, seas and oceans are the large amount of water. Okay, we are using everyday water. Everyday using water. That water is called fresh water. Fresh water. How many sources? What are the types of sources of water? Tell me. There is two types. One is natural sources and another one is man-made. The things are made by man are called man-made. What are the man-made sources? Wells, tube wells and bore wells. These are the man-made sources. And what are the natural sources? Tell me. Natural sources means rain giving by nature are called natural. So rain. Next one, rivers, ponds and lakes. These are called natural sources. Okay, children. Tomorrow we will write hard words. Okay. Today you have to underline. Okay. Read the lesson and underline the hard words. Tomorrow we will write the notes. Okay. Tomorrow I will meet you, children. Bye, ma.